up, my royal flush? It is I, J Heart, the Queen of Hearts, and I am back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the new Morphe Arch Obsessions brow kit, which comes with a lot of product in it as well. It's like all listed on the back, and it's only $18. I think they took the price down. I don't know, like, really. So yeah, you guys, I'm pretty much just going to be doing my eyebrows in this video. It's going to be a quick, short video. So if you guys want to see, then just keep on watching. But before we get into the video and we get like really in depth in this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button, y'all. Please. It helps me out a lot. And also hit the bell notification right next to the subscribe button to be notified for my future uploads. Y'all do not want to miss my future videos. Y'all do not. I'm sorry for the delay that I had. Like, I was literally like a week delayed on my videos, and I sincerely, wholeheartedly apologize about that. And at any point in this video, you guys are enjoying yourself, you guys are enjoying me, then give this video a big thumbs up. And with that being said, y'all, let's just get into this video.
Baby, you better use it. Use your imagination. Let your mind.
Okay, guys, so I'm about to just start on my brows, and I'm about to be using the Arch Obsessions 5-piece kit by Morphe. It's their new eyebrow set, which comes with the different eyebrow things right here, which comes with a micro brow pencil, a pomade, a translucent eyebrow gel, and like a highlight pencil and a eyebrow brush. I'm stupid. So yeah, I cannot wait to try these out. I actually tried out their eyebrow pencil before. If you guys have watched my videos in the past, you will know that I've spoken about their eyebrow pencil before. That was like when they had different shades, but I'm pretty sure this is still the same formula. So I'm going to take the micro brow pencil and just like outline my brows. I'm going to try to use most of these products in this video. I've never really done eyebrow tutorial like before. Oh, and this is in the shade Chocolate Mousse, which is like their darkest shade, I think. Okay, this one is outlined right here. I'm about to do this one over here. So both of them are outlined, and I'm going to take the pomade in the same shade, and I'm going to take the Morphe M15A brush, which is their eyebrow brush that came with it, and just get some products on there. And I just want to say, this is like $18 for all these products, so I feel like that's a good steal. I'm just going to fill in my brows with this. That's a pretty color. I feel like the pomade is just like darker than the pencil as well. Let me see. Now with they're looking a fucking mess. I cleaned up my brows first. Like, I cleaned them up. They look a mess at first until I clean them up. So for concealer to clean up my brows, I'm going to take the ColourPop No Filter concealer, and I'm going to take that on a Morphe M432 brush, which is a flat top brush. This one's like a high arch, and this one's like a natural arch. Like, y'all see that, like how that's like a curved arch, and this one's just like, and it's starting to piss me off. Okay, I'm about to try to fix these, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I fixed them as much as I could, and this is how they're looking. They're looking better than they just fucking were looking like So I'm going to finish the rest of my face and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. My brows do look pretty okay. I just have to blend them out, which like I don't really do. I don't really blend. Like I blend them out like after like my full face is done pretty much. And I'm going to take the Morphe brow setter, which came in the set as well, and I'm going to just run this through the brows. So yeah, you guys, that pretty much concludes and wraps up today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Please give this video a big thumbs up before you go, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. And with that being said, y'all, I will see y'all in my next video.